Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today we're going to be looking at the Under Armour Men's Charged Commit Trainer. So I actually bought the next generation of the Charged Commit Trainer without even knowing it. You can actually see the last review that I had about this shoe. That was the Charged Commit Trainer 3. There was a little issue with it, but it wore in and it was fine. This one actually is even better. So I've had this for about a month now. I've been running around in it, working out in it, walking in it, jumping in it, all that good stuff. It works great. It feels a little plasticky on the outside, but it says that it has lightweight mesh uppers. It has a full rubber outsole. It says provides functional support to improve flexibility and stability during dynamic movement. So the width of the shoe definitely helps with the lateral stability. If you move side to side, it handles that very well. If you move forward and back, it handles that very well. I did notice that I got this off of Amazon. It actually says that customers usually keep this item. This product has fewer returns than average compared to similar products. And I'd have to agree. I got a size 9 and I usually wear a 9.5, so it runs a tad small. Got it for less than $70. So where can you get a decent looking cross training shoe that's not gonna break the bank and does what it's supposed to do, is comfortable, and works in all different types of areas, right? So if you like it, take a look at it. You know, I have an affiliate link down there below. I may earn a little commission if you click that link and buy it from there. Doesn't cost you any extra. I appreciate it if you do that. But again, I'm not gonna do a review on anything that I wouldn't personally buy myself. Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, leave it on down below.